The automotive industry is witnessing a technological revolution, and Imagebon 7 4K ADAS dashcam stands at the forefront of this transformation. Packed with innovative features, including wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration, this dashboard car DVR is designed to elevate your driving experience to new heights. The Imagebon 7 4K ADAS dashcam ensures crystal clear video recording in stunning 4K resolution. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, the advanced night vision technology captures every detail, providing you with a reliable record of your journeys. The built-in advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, is a game-changer for road safety. The dashcam comes equipped with lane departure warning system, LDWS, alerting you when unintentional lane drifting occurs, and forward collision warning, FCW, which warns of potential front-end collisions, enhancing your overall awareness on the road. This unique feature notifies you when the vehicle in front begins moving, serving as a proactive reminder to stay alert and ready to continue your journey. To enable this function, it is essential to choose the GPS antenna during setup. The inclusion of GPS navigation adds another layer of functionality to the Imagebon dashcam. Seamlessly integrate GPS data into your recordings, allowing you to track your routes and monitor your driving history. The 24-hour park monitor ensures that your vehicle is protected even when parked. The dashcam activates when motion or impact is detected, providing added security for your car. With 5G HC high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity, the Imagebon dashcam offers fast and reliable data transfer. This facilitates seamless updates, easy access to footage via mobile devices, and efficient use of the dashcam's wireless capabilities. The Imagebon 7 4K ADAS dashcam is not just a recording device. It's a comprehensive driving companion that prioritizes safety, convenience, and innovation. Stay connected, drive confidently, and embrace the future of automotive technology with Imagebon's state-of-the-art dashcam.